Wisconsin U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin, along with other lawmakers, held a press conference to address the Trump administration's proposed cuts to the Federal Health and Human Services Department.
This announcement puts all of our health in jeopardy. We're talking about more kids getting sick from infectious diseases. We're talking about less support for seniors who rely on Medicaid and Medicare. We're even potentially talking about families getting sick from things that they buy at the grocery store.
The Trump administration and RFK Jr. announced today it will be cutting 20,000 jobs from the agency, taking the workforce from 82,000 to 62,000 employees. Senator Baldwin says that she agrees that making agencies more efficient is important, but she says that she differs from President Trump and RFK Jr. because she wants to make it efficient for American families, not big corporations. Well, if you drive on the